Welcome to practical task number 1, auxiliary drive belt installation. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of correctly installing and tensioning the auxiliary drive belt on an internal combustion engine. This task is essential for ensuring the efficient operation of the engine's auxiliary components, like the alternator and AC compressor. The student's task is to closely analyze the engine and select the appropriate belt installation diagram from the provided schemes. This involves understanding the layout and configuration of the engine's pulleys and determining the correct path for the auxiliary drive belt. To begin the installation of the auxiliary drive belt, first you need to release the tension on the pulley using a socket wrench. Place the socket on the tension pulley and rotate it counterclockwise. Then, fully release the tension pulley. Take the secure pin and lock it in place to maintain the tensioner's position. After securing the belt tensioning pulley, you can easily remove the auxiliary drive belt. Now let's reassemble. Take the auxiliary drive belt and place it according to the selected installation scheme. Ensure that the belt aligns properly with all the pulleys as depicted in the diagram you have chosen. After placing the auxiliary drive belt correctly, you can release the tension pulley by removing the secure pin. This action will allow the tension pulley to apply tension to the belt, stretching it into its operational position securely around the pulleys.